Hello, my YouTube friends. I removed the and visitors off. To me, you guys are all my YouTube friends. I don't know the majority of you guys, but I will. And you guys will get to know me as well by commenting and me replying to your comments. Okay? So, thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. Now, we're still talking about the Super Affiliate Network and how to earn online while making money earning. We're still with Bootcamp 6, but we're on number 6 now. And I will be continually quoting what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and has taught me. And here's the PS. With the Make Money Right Now slides, if someone charges you to get started, they're truly scammers. Ignore it and move on. Okay, to the next one. Now, we're going to go right into the boot camps. And if this seems to be a little confusing to you, just please go back to Bootcamp 6, number 5, okay? And then hopefully it will all make sense to you. Now, in case you're wondering, that 20% adds up fast. Just bring on one team member that makes 2 pro sales per week, and you're instantly earning an additional $1,000 per week without lifting a finger. And that's with only one team member actively producing. Imagine if you had 5, 10, or even 20 high-performing team members making sales every single day, while you earn 20% of everything they produce. Disclaimer: conversion rates are not guaranteed. Shucks, right? These are estimates. Once again, it will vary based on, of course, your individual effort. Now, as a basic member, you bring in 30 customers, you'll make a 50% commission, and that will equal $540 in commissions every single month. Now, as a pro level partner, you'll of course be in position to earn $1,000 commissions on the back end when your team members come through and purchase the pro level membership. Out of the 30 customers, you just about get 8 of those people to upgrade to a pro level membership, which equals $8,000 in total commissions. And when you combine your basic and pro level commissions, that equals $8,540 per month. Now, once again, results will vary, and it's all based on individual efforts. With that said, these are not even including our tier 2 or front end upsell sale. Now, remember, in order to make sales with the Super Affiliate Network, all you have to do is drive traffic. And in a minute, I'll even show you how you can even have us run all the traffic campaigns 100% done for you. From there, our done-for-you email follow-up, webinars, and phone sales team kick in to create the maximum percentage of buyers possible. Our coaches follow up and guide your members through our boot camp. And then a percentage of our buyers see the value of being positioned at pro and above. And our professional phone sales team will do all of the selling for you. The only questions are, will you earn the maximum percentage humanly possible per customer you send? And will you earn your team members? Will you earn when your team members produce? Will you earn on your best customers, or will you miss out on up to 80% of your profits and leave almost everything on the table if you take your business seriously? Which I know you do, considering you're here listening to my voice and watching this video almost a week after getting started. And yes, you're not here listening to Misha's voice, but to mine. Now, we're on the Make Money Right Now slides. Let's get right into that as well. Scan your groceries after you purchase them. The Home Scan Consumer Plan will pay you to scan the barcode on your grocery products after you purchase them. Based on the information that you submit, brands make changes in order to improve their products. After registration, you'll be put on their waiting list. From there, you'll be randomly selected to join the panel, and a handheld scanner will be sent to you in the mail. If you don't want to use the scanner, you can also use their free mobile app. Each time you scan a product, you'll be given a certain amount of points. These points can be exchanged for electronic gift cards, toys, and other cool prizes. You can earn even more points by taking email surveys. Watch videos from home. Nowadays, there are plenty of different rewards programs available that pay you to watch videos from home. Sites like Swagbucks have plenty of different videos to choose from. If you get bored of one category of videos, you can always move on to the next. Earning Station is a reward site that also pays you to watch videos from home, but they give you a $10 bonus when you sign up for 5 of their partner companies as well. All 3 of these sites pay out in the form of gift cards to a retailer of your choosing or to direct deposits to PayPal. Not only that, but they also have some sort of referral program. All 3 give you a bonus for referring a friend. A great way to spread the word is via Facebook and Twitter. Earning cash for things you do every single day. Creations Reward is an up-and-coming small task site that pays you to complete things that you already do on a daily basis at home. This includes taking surveys, watching videos, signing up for free trial offers, and more. Creations Reward offers a $5 bonus when you register as a new user. You can increase your earnings by referring a friend. Each time your friend earns, you earn. Wow, I like that. I typically find that I can complete these tasks while watching TV at home or even while on the go. Surf the web with QE. Since you're most likely already surfing the web on a daily basis, you might as well get paid for it. QMe is a mobile app as well as a browser extension that pays you to click on ads while you surf the web. Each time you surf the web, QMe looks for relevant advertisers related to your search term. If something comes up, a small pop-up appears in your browser. Click on the ad and earn anywhere from 5 to 15 cents per click. The great thing about QMe is that cash is awarded immediately to your account. Not only that, but there's no minimum withdrawal amount. If you have as little as 10 cents in your account, you can still make withdrawals to your PayPal account. You also get $1 bonus when you sign up. QMe has recently introduced free online surveys to increase your income even further. Yes, we're at the end of this video as well. You can click or copy this link. If you copy the link, put it in a new browser and open it up and learn more about what the Super Affiliate Network is all about. I need you to like and share this video as well. And please, 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 I'm not begging, I'm just asking, don't forget to comment. You can comment if you want more or different types of Make Money Right Now slides, or if you want more of the Super Affiliate slides, or if you just want the Super Affiliate slides, or if you just want the Make Money slides. But I need you to tell me down below in the comment field. So please comment. And thanks again for stopping by. Okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.